Hey, so I told you this is like the first part of my pedicure. I start with my shaver just to get all the calluses and the dry skin off my feet. The second would be in my foot soak that I love this tub because you can't tell but the wheels are going. It's warm and it keeps the temperature, keeps it nice and hot for me. So my feet are being massaged and there's bubbles. And the reason I use this is because this system works so amazingly well for my pedicures. I've had no issues whatsoever. And I will never go get a pedicure again because I can get my feet much softer at a fraction of the price. So for the third part of my pedicure, it's time to scrub my feet. So I shaved my feet, I softened my feet in the tub, and now I'm going to scrub them using Gena Pedi Scrub, my Tweezerman brush where I could scrub my feet, and together they will get my feet super, super soft. What I love about using this Gena Pedi Scrub with this scrub brush, yeah, scrub brush. I can't think of what the word is. I'll make sure I put the words down there for you from Tweezerman. Is that I get to hit the spots that I know that are problematic for me in my feet. When I go to get my own, get my pedicure, they don't know. They're just going by what feels softest. But I know where I have the trouble spots on my feet. And so I hit those a little bit harder than the other spots. So that's just a definite win or a pro by doing your own pedicures because you can get the spots that are most problematic for yourself that your salon person is not going to know about. They're just not. I mean, I know you may see them every single month and they may learn that about you, but I know it from up front. So I'm about to start the fourth part of my pedicure, and while my feet have been cleaned, thoroughly scrubbed, washed, softened, they're only like professional pedicure soft. Now what I'm about to do is use my Pedicure foot treatment cream with my gel booties for at least 30 minutes, more than likely an hour. And it goes from, I say, a level 7 of softness to a level 10. No joke. This combination right here is what takes the softness to a whole nother baby soft level. You can wear these at night. You can wear the booties without even using the treatment, but together, they are amazing. This stuff is thick, smells good, it's penetrating. It's actually amazing. So that's the fourth part of my pedicure. So here's the finished product. My feet are done. They're polished, they're super, super soft. 5 steps, and I ended up with soft feet that will be soft the entire month, polished, looking pretty, and it was totally worth the effort. So it took 5 steps. It took a minute, but I did it safe at home, and my feet are softer than when I go and get them done professionally. Honestly, they are. So, anyway, this is Sabrina from SeriouslyNatural.org. I think you will enjoy this process.